Now I am going to sign up a new account of the member called Nerissa. Watch how I am doing it. This is the login interface of JAALifestyle. Logging in with the username and password of the sponsor, because I am going to invite Nerissa, the new member, and sign up form by opening up the Marifé, the sponsor's referral code. The first line is Marifé's username and the second line is Marifé's password. You remember that you cannot change anything as of the username and password, but type exactly as it is. If I open up Marifé's account, I will be able to copy her referral link code. So clicked on the login. After typing the username and password, the account opens up and then it says save password. There are two options given, never and save. Now out of these two options, which I should do? One should I click? Should I click on never or should I click on save? As because this account which I am opening is not my own account but somebody else's account called Marifé, so I will click here on never. But if I had been opening my own account, then I would have clicked on save. So if it is my own account, I will click on save. So this username password will be automatically saved. If I am opening somebody else's account, I will click on never, so it will not be saved. Next I click on the top left hand corner on the three dashes called the menu bar, so that I can get into the account overview option, which I click. If you notice here on the top right hand corner, this is the three dash menu bar. If I click, then it will be able to open up this read the newsletter always, and then I'll go and scroll down to that portion where it is called I have read the message. I'll click on I have read the message after reading the newsletter. This is compulsory. Immediately the account will open up showing the name of the sponsor, the name of that account, and below the name, as you can see, it is written your referral link. And in order to copy this referral link of the sponsor, I need to click on that circled part, that the blue box part. If I click on the blue box part, it will say link copied to clipboard. If I OK it, then the link will be copied, and then I need to paste this copied referral link code to Nerissa's message inbox, be it the messenger, be it the normal message, or on Facebook, or on WhatsApp, or any other form that she can see it, and then click on it. This is the link code of Marifé. If you see, it is written https://secure.jaalifestyle.com/refer/ then this is the username of Marifé. So if it's a link code of yours, everything will be same. The last portion will be your username. Now if Marifé now gets this and she clicks on this referral link code, so Marifé will be the sponsor. So this will be the sign up form, which will open up as soon as the link code is clicked. In this you can see the sign up form. The first line says your full name. The first line has to be written in the case of the new member, the full name exactly as per the document without any abbreviation, and this name, full name, has to be written only in capital letters. You cannot write in any other form. The next line, member is going to use a unique code as a username. Third line will be, as you can see, is a Marifé's username, or as is the sponsor code. This you cannot change, it is there. In the fourth line, it will be there your email. So the member, whatever the email is using, she is using or he is using that regularly, that email has to be typed exactly, preferably a Gmail account ID, and again has to be copied or typed to confirm that email without any mistake. Again, first line will be full name of Narisa, and that has to be in only capital letters. Second line is the username of Narisa. I am creating as Narisa05, the single word with small alphabets and a number combination. So this is to be unique for her, and nobody should have in the world this particular username. Then I'll go to the next line. As you can see, it is the Marife's own username. This is a sponsor username. Then I have to go write the Gmail of the Narise, that's the member, new member, exactly the Gmail, whatever it is, without any change, and confirm the Gmail by typing again. Next, you should type the country code. On the right side of the country, you will see there is a small arrow which you click, then the country options will be given. From the options, you can select the country, and after the country, you will see it is written phone number. Now, in this phone number, you have to remember your phone number digits has to be written there, and then your country code with the plus sign and the appropriate country code has to be written and added before the phone number. Usually you write numbers at 0, then you write the number. You are not going to write the 0. Instead of the 0, you are going to write the country code. For Philippines, it is +63. For India, it is +91. For Bangladesh, it is +880. 0 has to be removed, and you have to write +63. Then we should write the 9956. After this, we have to fill up the box of date of birth. In the case of the filling of the date of birth, you have to follow this system, that the date, then month, then year. So if it is December 5th, 1960, the date of birth must be written as the day has been written as in front, so 05, it has to be made in 2 digit. Then the month has to be written in numbers, that is 1, 2, and the year has to be written in full 4 digit. So at first day, then month, finally the year. Now comes the most important part. The password has an I at the right side in both cases. 2 times it is to be written. Once password with the I. If you click it, it will be a line through it. The moment it will be a line through it, you can be able to see what you are typing. You be very careful and make a single word of password with capital letters, small letters, special sign characters, and numbers, and rewrite it again as a confirm password in the second line by watching it. So if you want to see and type to avoid any mistake, you click on that I, right side on the I, it will have a line. The line appears on the I, then you will be able to see it. So this is when you can see it, that is the line on the I. And if there is no line on the I, if you press it again, the line will vanish and you will be not able to see it. After that, finally, there are 2 boxes you can see. Terms and conditions, that box has to be clicked and it will be a blue tick, and the privacy policy, that box has to be ticked. So both these boxes has to be ticked and made in blue tick. So really you check again the entire sign up form if anything is correct or not, and then click on the sign up. As you click on that sign up, then you are taken to the login interface. There is saying login to your account, then there's username and password. So the username which you have used during the sign up process, you have to type it here exactly like that. The password what you have used in the sign up process, that you have to exactly type here. Then click on the remember me just below the box, below the register, not register box but below the register box. Click on that remember me and then login. Click on login. So you can log into the account. The browser will be checked and it will be taking 5-6 seconds to open up, and the account will open up. You can see the name, you can see the referral link and the details. And how will you log out? So this is the account which will open up, and we will be able to see the name, and then just below the name you will be able to see the referral code. The referral code, if you want to copy it, you have to click on the blue box which I've circled, and then you can paste it to somebody to invite. If you want to see your own account personal details, you can click on that personal details, and then you can see whatever the personal details you have. If you want to log out, then you have to go to the top left hand corner, the 3 dash, which is called the menu bar, and from there you can actually scroll down and get the logout option, and then click on it to log out. In the same process, you can log in. Once you have logged out, you will get next time login option. So when you are logged in, you are going to get the logout option. When you are logged out, you are going to get the login option. So this is how you will be able to do it entire thing. I hope it is clear to you all.